All right, we're at Timmerman Ridge, Butler County Metro Park, and I'm testing out my new Maybesta Wireless mics. All right, so yeah, I'm not sure if somebody's hunting groundhogs or doing something. I just hope they're not using this park as a backstop. So let's hope they're responsible, because that was fairly close. Sounded like maybe a 22. It's always one of the risks you have out here. I know a few years ago, I think I might have talked about it in another video a few months back, but yeah, even at the local school, the administration building had a window shot out because some guys were doing target practice in the distance and they weren't keeping track of their backstop, and the backstop just happened to be the school administration building. And of course there was alcohol and firearms involved, which honestly is never a good mix. But that's a different story. I definitely don't want to paint everybody with that same picture. So hopefully the mics are sounding decent. The one thing I don't like too much is I don't really have a lot of feedback. And I've heard some people say that, they do record with these mics. And they've done like whole sessions and then realized they lost their connection. Now I do have a really cool voice recorder app I downloaded on the Google Play Store. And that works really well. You get to see the equalizer. You can see that your voice is being recorded. But I'm just recording off my camera. And just so you know, these wireless mics require you to turn your Bluetooth off on the phone, because I guess the way this thing works, you got a little plug-in module, USB-C module, plugs into the bottom of the phone, into the USB port, and then the wireless mic communicates wirelessly. I guess it's using Bluetooth between the mic and the phone through that module. It doesn't directly connect to your phone over Bluetooth. And I think that's the way a lot of these mics work. And I'm not sure of all the technology behind it. I'm assuming there's some conversion going on with the signal that needs to be done in the little module they give you. I don't have the same problem. I have a GoPro Hero 11, and I was really disappointed to find out that you have to buy the GoPro module if you want to connect a wireless mic. I don't know if anybody out there has done that, but apparently that module is like $50 and very pricey, extremely pricey, I think. But I guess there's some kind of analog to digital conversion going on, that they took the chip out of the GoPro, and it's done inside of their little proprietary module now. So you can't just get an off-the-shelf Bluetooth mic adapter, which really stinks. But that's how they get you. But what I'm hoping to show sometime is that apparently it's fairly easy to sync up audio, just straight audio to the audio that you might have with a video file. So I want to see how that's done. I may show how to do that for anybody out there that's using DaVinci Resolve. That's what I'm using. I'm using DaVinci Resolve and really enjoy it. But I guess it actually looks at the waveforms of the two audio files, the one in the video and then the separate audio track that I would get off my mic. And you can sync those together, which is pretty cool. That would definitely work with the GoPro. Excuse me. I think I'd be able to record that way with my phone, probably record from the mic to the phone, and then record the audio on my GoPro. And the GoPro audio is not going to be as good, hopefully not, and then sync them up. Whew. Definitely needed a walk. This is my post-Christmas walk. All right, we're walking back up towards the park building here, which used to be a house. I think it might have been the Fitton family that owned this at one time, and they were nice enough to donate the property to the park district. So very, very cool. And I decided to walk the way I did because I knew nobody else would be walking that trail. A lot of people go up on the paved trail, which is a little over a mile, and yeah, I didn't really want to do that. Looks like that was a pretty cool house. I guess there's some rentable space in there for get-togethers and things like that, so pretty cool. All right, so apparently this mic is picking up a lot of my breathing. I stopped and actually listened to it for a little bit, and yeah, whatever. So I'm out of shape. I'm having fun. I'm outdoors and enjoying the weather. And there's my mic. Right here, I got a clip there. Maybe I need to put a little bit further away. The clips on these, the little clip, seems to be a little fragile. I'm taking a lot of care with it when I put it on because I'm afraid it might snap. But for 25 bucks, I'll give these a go. All right, we got the Songbird Pond, and it is a little muddy here. Not too bad though. We're gonna go ahead and walk it. Somebody had a bad day fishing. There's like three bobbers up in the tree. Don't know if anybody can see them. One, two, there's one down there, a red and white one. Wow. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and walk around here, stay on as much of the unpaved part that I can without getting muddy. Probably do a little better filming this way. Don't really like to film when there's people around. I know that a lot of people don't want to be in your videos. That would be my recommendation. Try not to film other people. They don't always want to be a part of what you got going on. And just remember that, you know, we're not the most important person out here. Everybody's doing their thing. So what is that? Interesting. There's a box strapped to that tree. What is that? Interesting. I'll be honest, I'm not sure what it is. First I thought maybe like a birdhouse box. It's like a wooden box. Yeah, I don't know. Something I'm digging. Yeah, I probably could have brought Duchess today. She would have loved this. So I'm hoping the mic sound okay. I did play back a part of the video. It didn't sound horrible. It sounds a little bit better than just the audio from my phone. I guess the only bad part is it's on my lapel, so it's probably hearing every breath I take. Probably sounds like I'm gasping for air. I am pretty sure I saw a white tail of a deer running the opposite direction back in the woods here. I'm not sure, but ooh, something definitely moved. There's a very cool old tree. Yeah, it looks like there might be rain on the way. Supposed to hit about 60 today. And what is it? Today's a Saturday. It's the 29th, I think. I actually forget. Wednesday was the 25th. I believe today's the 28th. I don't know. It's irrelevant. Yeah, we definitely got some mud here. And with the dark clouds to the west, I am probably going to stop here and go the other way. I don't know if the darker clouds are showing up, but it's like there might be some rain coming. Alright, I think we will walk up here towards this paved trail. I'm debating whether I'm going to go around it before the rain gets here. It'll be a little over a mile. I should be able to cover that pretty quick. Alright, we'll give it a try. Is that a bald eagle? It had a white head. It just flew away. I don't think I got it. I have not seen one of those in a while in Ohio. We'll come up here anyway. Alright, we're going to take this little cut through. This cuts a little distance off. There's I think that's the Warhol Road trailhead up that way. There's a parking lot. But there's a couple cutoffs here that you can take, which are kind of cool. Gives you some options. It's a really cool old line of trees here. Guess it was part of the farm. Alright, that puts us back on the paved section. And we're going to head back towards the car. Well, the sun gets out in the clouds, it gets a little bit cooler out here. It's still got to be in the mid 50s, close to 60. Almost stepped in dog crap. I'm going to take another one of the cut throughs and go back to the other side. And we'll just finish out on the other side of the trail. All right, I think we're on the home stretch here. Just about back to the parking lot. All right, so I've just opened the package. Looks like we've got a little instruction booklet. Looks like that thing is barely readable, honestly. Well, yeah, okay. It's kind of small print. We'll take a look at that. And then this is what comes with it. Looks like we got two lapel microphones with USB-C ports. Did come with a cable. Looks like at least one. And then this little module here is a little module that should plug into the USB-C port on a phone or computer. And then this actually communicates, I believe it's like Bluetooth back to this module. So you can't connect these directly Bluetooth. You have to go through this intermediary module. So it's going to be interesting to see how this works, how it attaches to the phone, and if it stays connected. But this is what we're starting with.